What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the new camera app in iOS 26. After updating to iOS 26, open up the camera app on your iPhone. You will see a new user interface, which might look slightly different on your device, depending on which iPhone model you are using. On the top right, tap the menu icon. This will open up all of the camera tools you're familiar with from previous iOS versions. Tap on Styles. This allows you to swipe to the right to change camera styles. And below, adjust the tone and warmth to your liking. Back in the camera menu, tap on Aspect to change the aspect ratio, or Filter to change the overall camera filter for your images. If you're looking for the usual camera modes, such as Portrait or Panorama, then tap and hold the photo label and swipe to the right or left to switch to Pano, Portrait, Photo, Video, Cinematic, Slow Motion, and so on. When switching to video, you'll be able to adjust the resolution and frame rate from the top left. In case you're looking for more camera options, then open up your Settings app, select Camera, and here you will find a bunch of video, slow motion, formats and other settings, relevant if you're serious about taking great pictures with your iPhone running iOS 26. When tapping on Photographic Styles, you can preview how the preset styles apply an effect to this given image. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.